Clean windshield glass is crucial for safety and optimal performance of your Tesla Model Y, especially with features like autopilot and full self-driving. A clean windshield ensures crystal clear visibility for safe driving. This is especially important with advanced features like autopilot and full self-driving, which rely on clear camera views. We'll guide you through cleaning the exterior and interior glass, plus maintaining the wiper system for crystal clear visibility. The Model Y's windshield features hydrophobic coatings that help water bead up and roll off, improving visibility in wet conditions. For exterior cleaning, use the windshield wipers and washer fluid system. The wipers provide mechanical cleaning while the fluid sprays to remove dirt and debris. The vehicle's touchscreen provides alerts for low fluid levels or when wiper replacement is needed, helping you maintain the system proactively. Best practices recommend using Tesla-recommended products to avoid voiding warranties. Always refill washer fluid with the vehicle in maintenance mode to prevent issues. If not using Tesla brand washer fluid, ensure it's a compatible non-freezing, low-residue formula to protect the windshield and wiper system. Regular checks and maintenance of these components prevent safety issues and ensure optimal visibility for driving, especially with advanced features like autopilot. The Tesla Model Y is equipped with standard beam blade windshield wipers. Unlike traditional framed wipers, beam blades have a sleek, frameless design that provides better contact with the windshield for improved visibility in all weather conditions. To begin replacement, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield. Be careful not to let it snap back suddenly. Locate the release tab on the wiper blade. Press it firmly and slide the old blade off the arm. Take the new blade and slide it onto the arm in the opposite direction until you hear or feel it click securely into place. Tesla recommends using OEM blades or compatible options like Bosch Icon and Michelin Stealth for optimal performance and compatibility. Avoid any DIY modifications to the wipers, as they can interfere with the vehicle's sensors and camera systems. In harsh climates, consider Tesla's extended warranties for wiper components to protect against degradation. First, locate the washer fluid reservoir by opening the hood, which is the front trunk on the Tesla Model Y. Next, choose the right fluid. Mix equal parts distilled water and Tesla windshield washer fluid, or use a compatible non-freezing formula with low residue to avoid streaks and ensure optimal cleaning performance. For the filling procedure, ensure the vehicle is turned off to prevent spills. Unscrew the reservoir cap and slowly pour in the fluid mixture. Then securely replace the cap. Finally, the Tesla Model Y monitors washer fluid levels automatically. If the fluid gets low, you'll receive a warning on the touchscreen, helping you maintain clear visibility for safe driving. For cleaning the inside glass of your Tesla Model Y, you'll need a microfiber cloth and Tesla-approved ammonia-free glass cleaner to achieve a streak-free finish. First, avoid spraying the glass cleaner directly onto the touchscreen or any electronics. This prevents potential damage to sensitive components. Apply the cleaner to the microfiber cloth, not directly to the glass. Then wipe the inside windshield gently in circular motions to remove fingerprints and dirt without creating streaks. Proper inside glass cleaning is crucial because streaks or fingerprints can affect touchscreen sensitivity and obstruct camera views needed for autopilot features. Poor cleaning can lead to false sensor readings, potentially causing safety issues. To protect your Tesla Model Y windshield, always park in the shade and use lukewarm water to prevent thermal shock to the glass. Sudden temperature changes can cause cracks or damage to the hydrophobic coating. Conduct quarterly windshield checks as recommended by auto maintenance experts. This includes inspecting wiper blades, fluid levels, and glass condition to prevent issues that could affect visibility, especially with autopilot features. For sustainability, choose eco-friendly and biodegradable washer fluids that align with Tesla's environmental commitment. These products reduce environmental impact while maintaining effective cleaning performance and avoiding residue buildup. One common issue in cold weather is frozen wiper blades. The blades can freeze to the windshield, making them unable to move and severely impacting visibility. To prevent this, consider installing heated washer fluid nozzles as an aftermarket add-on. These keep the washer fluid from freezing in the delivery lines. Another issue is streaking on the windshield glass, which can impair visibility and potentially interfere with the vehicle's sensors. To fix streaking, ensure you're using a clean microfiber cloth and an ammonia-free cleaner to avoid damaging the glass. Also, regularly check your wiper blades for wear and tear. Replace them if they're damaged to prevent streaking. Finally, be aware of an important recall. Tesla has recalled certain 2022-2024 Model Y vehicles due to faulty wiper motors that could fail in heavy rain, affecting visibility. Check your vehicle's VIN to see if it's affected, and follow Tesla's instructions for software updates or replacements. Looking ahead, Tesla Model Y windshields are evolving with self-cleaning technology using nanotechnology. Photocatalytic coatings like titanium dioxide break down organic dirt and grime when exposed to sunlight and UV light. Tesla is developing advanced features for autonomous maintenance. Rumored software updates will enable automated wiper activation triggered by rain sensors and AI-driven washer fluid dispensers that adjust based on weather conditions. The industry is moving towards zero-maintenance glass solutions and subscription-based service kits for electric vehicles. These kits provide regular deliveries of maintenance supplies, making upkeep effortless for owners.